This one is unique. You see that? It's unique. Look at this pumpkin. It's very unique. Look.
That's the way they were made.
Oh, really?
Butterfly hood.
Butterfly. But it's what do you call?
What?
Hot rod also?
Yeah, I think it'd be a hot rod.
I like the butterfly you said.
Butterfly hood.
Oh, butterfly hood. Okay. I got you. I see that.
Mom, that's what I'm talking to you about.